So left sentential form means what? We are starting with the left variable first. We are started with the starting symbol, then left variable. This left variable we have replaced with some production. Again this left variable, again this left variable, left variable, left variable. Means there will be always terminus on the left hand side. So whatever the leftmost variable will come, that leftmost variable will reduce. That is called as a left sentential form. Now then, what do we mean by right sentential form? Suppose we will take another string. We will take another string and just try to understand what exactly this right sentential form is. So right sentential form means the rightmost symbol will take. Rightmost symbol will take. So if we want to generate take a nice string called as a 0, 0, 1, 1, suppose 0, 0, 1, 1. So we want to generate this string with the help of the right sentential form, because in the exam there is given as a use right sentential form or the left sentential form. Sentential form. Okay. So we'll start with the S again. S is the having only one production A, 1, B. So we say A, 1, B. I'm using this first production. Now we have to start with the rightmost. We have to start with the rightmost variable. Okay, because we have to use the right sentential form. So this A1 will remain. So B we want to do, because this thing we want to generate this thing. So what I will do, this B I will replace with the B I will replace with this production 1B. I will replace with 1B. So this B I am reducing with the help of this B. So we can also write like this, B tends to 1B. So which production I am using, that will be much easier to understand. So B tends to 1. Okay. Now again, the rightmost symbol, right? So 1, 1 already done. So I will just replace this B rightmost with the epsilon, So B tends to epsilon. Okay. So the string will become A11. 1100 I want. So this A I will replace with the, because rightmost. So now A is the rightmost symbol. So I will replace with the 0A11. So A I am replacing with the 0A. This production I am using. Again one more time I will use the same production. 1, 1. A tends to 0A again. This I am replacing again. Okay. So this is rightmost is this. Now this I will replace with the help of the I will replace with the help of the epsilon. So I will get 0, 0, 1. So this thing we have used the right sentential form. Means for reducing the rightmost symbol. And here I have used the left sentential form called as a reducing the variables from the left hand side. So this is something about the context-free grammar. So grammar is nothing but the equations. Grammar is nothing but the equations given. With the help of that equations, we have to generate the strings belong to that language. So our task is to, if the language is given, suppose they are saying ki A raised to n, B raised to n, or A raised to m, B raised to n, where m is greater than n, means number of A is greater than number of B. If this is the problem statement, so our task is to write the equation, write the production to generate that type of language. So that we have to do with the help of the production. Now this is the logical, we have to think number of times what will be the production. So this is something about the context-free grammar. We just go through the CFG, context-free grammar. Now the basic thing, why it is called as a context-free. It is a grammar. Grammar means rules. These are the production. Why it is called as a context-free? Context. Context means what? Surrounding. Context means what? Environment, surrounding. Context-free grammar means what? Whatever the surrounding is, means whatever the problem statement is. this production will remain the same. Context will. The surrounding, the environment is not going to change the production for the same language. Means a language, if we are having some other circumstances, the production will be someone else, something else, and if the circumstances change, the productions will change again. So that will be the called as a context sensitive grammar. Context sensitive. According to the context, it is changing.